Hey everyone, are you dipping your toes into cybersecurity and wondering how to stand out? Well, what if I told you there's a certification that's beginner friendly, in demand, and gets you hands-on with one of the coolest tools in the game, Splunk. That's right, today we're diving into the Splunk Core Certified User certification. Now, I've had a few people ask me about this recently, so I wanted to make a video to discuss a bit further. I'm Luke Goff, a career coach and recruiter, and in this video, I broke down what it is, why it's perfect for beginners, and how you can ace it. Stick around because this could be your first big step, and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. So what exactly is this certification? Well, the Splunk Core Certified is your entry-level pass into the world of Splunk. If you haven't heard of Splunk, it's this powerhouse tool that takes messy data like logs from servers or security systems and turns it into answers. Think of it like a detective's magnifying glass for cybersecurity professional. Now imagine a hacker sneaking into a company's network. With Splunk, you could search logs and spot them in minutes or even stop them before they strike. This certification proves you can search that data, spot issues, and set up alerts all without needing to be a tech wizard yet. It's perfect for beginners because it's practical, it's hands-on, and it doesn't assume you're already a Splunk expert. Now, why you should care, especially if you're new to cybersecurity. First off, Splunk is everywhere in this field. Companies use it to monitor networks, they use it to catch hackers and investigate incidents. Getting certified shows you can handle the basics, and trust me, that's a big deal when you're starting out. Plus, it's a stepping stone. Nail this and you're on your way to bigger roles like security analyst or even Splunk admin down the road. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Cybersecurity jobs with Splunk skills are growing fast. Some even pay six figures once you level up. Not bad for a beginner certification, right? So let's talk about the exam basics and what you're signing up for. So let's talk nuts and bolts. This exam's pretty straightforward. 60 multiple choice questions, 60 minutes, and it costs around 130 US. You can take it online or at a test center through Pearson VUE, which is super convenient. So what's on it? Well, stuff you'd actually do in cybersecurity jobs. Searching logs for errors, using fields to filter data, setting up alerts like, hey Splunk, tell me if someone's trying to hack us, and building simple dashboards. No coding, no crazy tech jargon, just practical skills. Now, if you're thinking 60 questions in 60 minutes and that sounds intense, don't worry. This isn't like a college final. It's designed for people who are just starting out. So they're not trying to trick you with crazy curveballs. It's all about the basics you'll actually use. Moving on to how to prepare. So how do you get ready? Well, step one, grab Splunk's free Fundamentals 1 course. It's about 4 or 5 hours online and walks you through everything you need to know. It talks through searching, alerts, the works. Step 2, get hands-on. Download Splunk Enterprise. It's free for 60 days with a 10 GB daily limit, and you don't need to spend a dime to practice. Load it up on your laptop, then grab some sample data like the Buttercup games, which is set from the course, and start playing. Run searches like error count over time or build a quick dashboard. Best part? That's 10 gigabytes is more than enough to master the exam. You'll be the Sherlock Holmes of server logs in no time. Now, if you want extra practice, Udemy's got affordable Splunk mock exams. They're super helpful for getting that test day vibe. Oh, and jot down key commands like search, stats, and table. They're your cheat codes for the exam. All right, let's get serious now. Here's how you win this exam. 1, practice real searches. Don't just memorize, do it. 2, master fields. They're like filters that make data make sense, and they're huge on the test. 3, time yourself. Aim for a minute per question so you don't run out of the clock. 4, flag tough ones. Skip, come back, and no stress. 5, chill out. Remember, it's beginner level. If you've done the free course and you've poked around Splunk, you've got this. Bonus tip. Check out Splunk's community like Splunk Answers or cybersecurity forums. People post real exam questions they've seen and you can ask for help if you're stuck. It's like having a study buddy online. Now, picture yourself walking out or logging off with that certification in hand. Feels good, doesn't it? So there you have it. The Splunk Core Certified User certification is your perfect launchpad into cybersecurity. It's practical, it's in demand, and it's totally doable for beginners like you. Start prepping today and you'll be spotting cyber threats like a pro in no time. Now, once you've got this certification, you're not just done, you're started. Picture yourself moving up to power user, then landing a job as a security analyst, hunting threats full time. This is just the beginning. Now, what do you think? You ready to give it a shot? Drop a comment below with your questions or tell me your cybersecurity goals. I would really love to hear them. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more career boosting tips. Now, as always, keep leveling up your career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.